It's King Jacob right here, King Jacob World TV. And today I want to talk about reparation. You know, we're the original people of America, but we hasn't been compensated for the rent that's due for us. You know, they try to say African Americans, and you truly see when you see the images of the native people, which we call Negroes, they look like me. They don't look like those light-skinned, pale-faced natives that they always put in the front. Why they never show those dark images? That's what I want to know. But anyway, we back to reparation for the original people of America, which is me. And we want to talk about that money that Biden been sending over there to Ukraine. And you know, those people over there are not Americans. So what's the problem with giving us money? When we ask for something, there's always a shortage. And then America's supposed to be $1 trillion in debt. You know, we gotta make this right. You know, and I'm gonna just leave it at that. And you know, the hypocrisy of America. Whenever we need something, it's always a problem, because they already know who are the original people, and we're waking up to your buffoonery. And the Most High is finna put the hammer down on you, Esau. So you better cling on to us while you got the chance now, because our Father is here, and He finna start destroying everything in His sight. So, hey, you can keep your things. The Most High gonna give us our reparation. And I want to say all praise to the Most High, Yahweh B'Shem Yashai. This is King Jacob World TV. Peace.